education, reading books and magazines, playing guitar, and a little bit of piano. And my ambition is to be a lawyer someday, but from now, my family is still my inspiration to pursue my dreams. Yung pinakamasayang nangyari sa akin is yung birthday ko. Kasi kasama ko yung family ko, yung mga kaibigan ko, yung iba pa naming relative, buong classmates ko, tsaka yung advisor ko kasama ko. Lahat sobrang saya, tawanan, kulitan, bonding moments. Kaya para sa akin, yun yung pinaka-masayang nangyari. Yung pinaka-malungkot na nangyari sa akin, yung nawala yung tiwala ng magulang ko. Ang sakit-sakit. Kasi ang hirap kumilos. Parang yung mga kaibigan ko na lang yung nagiging strength ko para makapag-ayos sa sarili ko. Palagi, wala na akong kakampi sa lahat. Kaya para sa akin, yun yung pinakamasakit at pinakamalungkot na nangyari sa akin. It's always gonna be another mountain. Always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes you're gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast right gets there. Ain't about what's making on the other side. It's the climb. Yes.